This is the Star News Brief. I'm Mark Gitau. At least 26 county governments, 19 state corporations, 5 universities and 2 constitutional commissions are on the radar of anti-corruption detectives. A new report by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission reveals that Integrity Center on Valley Road probed 534 cases in the period under review. The EACC obtained 1,546 court warrants to search bank and mobile money transfer accounts, premises, vessels and vehicles of graft suspects. It also emerges in the report for the financial year 2023-2024 that the EACC completed 126 investigations on corruption and economic crimes. Another 56 investigation files on violation of laws on integrity were finalized and recommendations issued. Get a copy of the Star by subscribing to our e-paper with only 40 shillings through www.mgazeti.com. Kenya's EACC chairperson candidate Raila Odinga on Tuesday took to his campaigns to head of states at the Energy Summit in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Raila joined President William Ruto for the meeting that was attended by presidents, business leaders and Africa's development partners. Some 15 presidents had arrived in the Tanzanian capital for the high-profile meeting that aims to accelerate energy access across Africa. President Ruto is expected to make a strong pitch for Raila on the sidelines of the conference, even as the former Prime Minister steps up his campaigns. MPs have renewed their fight to save the National Government Constituency Development Fund in the face of the court ruling calling for its scrapping. A court gave the National Assembly 2 years to complete CDF projects, deeming the law under which it is anchored as unconstitutional. The High Court said the NGCDF Act 2015 violated the principle of separation of powers. National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula assured MPs his office will do everything to preserve the fund. 13 lawyers from the firm of Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi Advocates have now petitioned the Judicial Service Commission for the removal of Chief Justice Martha Koome and all other 6 judges of the Supreme Court. The petitioners have made claims of gross misconduct or misbehavior and breach of the judges' code of conduct against the 7 senior judges. The lawyers, all practicing under Ahmed Nasir's law firm, want Chief Justice Martha Koome, her deputy Philomena Mwilu, Justice Mohamed Ibrahim, Smokin Wanjala, Njoki Ndongo, Isaac Lenaula and William Oko found unfit to hold office. They said the judge's decision to ban senior counsel Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi and advocates from his law firm from appearing before the court has directly violated their rights as advocates to appear before the Superior Court. The Kenyan Embassy in Kinshasa, Congo, is among diplomatic missions targeted by protesters disgruntled by M23 and allied forces attack on the city of Guam on Monday. Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Korir Sing'oei told the Star yesterday the embassy had been pillaged, the ambassador's vehicle stolen and another vehicle burnt. In a statement on X, Sing'oei expressed deep concern over the siege and attacks on the embassies of Uganda and South Africa and their personnel by marauding protesters who are voicing their discontent on the conflict in the eastern part of the country. Prime Cabinet Secretary and Diaspora and Foreign Affairs Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi said DRC government has assured that it will assess the damage and compensate Kenya. Get a copy of the Star by subscribing to our e-paper with only 40 shillings through www.mgazeti.com.